Hey sports fans, I bought this Western Digital Easy Store portable hard drive for my girlfriend to use with her Mac because her Mac is old. This is a 2 terabyte hard drive, and her Mac is old and she needs more storage, but she's not using it, so I'm going to go ahead and use it on my laptop and desktop, transferring files. So here's what's in the box. That's it. Get the proprietary cord there. See, it has like this kind of double prong thing here. And then USB. And, big disclaimers. Product support. There's really nothing to it. And plug it in. So, 4 1/4 inches by 3 1/4 inches by 3/4 of an inch. See? Let's plug that in. Like that. Plug this in the computer. That's all there is to it. Have a great day.